What's up guys, Adrian here. Welcome to Motorista Adventures. Today I have a package from Akaso. They sent me this dashcam for review. So let's unbox this first and I'll install this in my car so that we can see how it performs. So let's do the unboxing first. Okay, let's open the package. Let's see what's inside. So they sent us this. Actually, this is just a basic dashcam, they said. Alright, so this is it, guys. So we have here the Akaso dash camera. So it says in the box it has a 170-degree wide-angle lens, and it also has 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second video recording. Again, motion detection, which is very essential for any dash camera. And again, parking monitor. We have a 3-inch LCD screen and it can store up to 32 gigs of data. So let's open up the box. And let's open up the box. How do you open this? Oh, start here. Both sides. Oh. So let's open it up. Okay. Open this up. Okay, so we have here the package. Now we have the dash cam. So again, this is the Akaso brand. See that? And again, it's actually feels really good. Although it's made of plastic. But let's put this aside and let's see what's inside the box. So we have a charging cable, which is USB type A. And you also have a cigarette lighter plug for your car. So it also has a really long cable. So yep, you have this cigarette lighter, car charger. And for you to, and we have different brackets for mounting, I think. Yep, let's put that aside. And we have the suction cup mount for your car. If you don't want to permanently attach the dash cam to your car, you can just use the suction cup. But if you can use adhesive, so you can again permanently attach the dash cam to your vehicle. So we have the owner's manual, and very nice, they included a pry tool so that if in case you need to detach something from your car's panel, you won't damage it by using other tools. This is very nice. Thank you, Akaso, for that. So guys, this is the Akaso dash camera, and we will be installing this. I have a new video coming up that will be an installation of the dashcam. So guys, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell icon so that you will be notified on any future videos in this channel. So once again guys, my name is Adrian, the Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you guys on the next video.